Hey there guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can solve for any area under the normal curve using your scientific calculators. So yeah, you can get rid of your z tables because today I'm going to be teaching you how you can get the area using your scientific calculator. Alright, so we know that the normal curve or the bell curve has a total area of 1. Of course, half of the curve has an area of 0.5, and so the other half has an area of 0.5 as well. But what if we are asked to get the area of a random region under the normal curve? Like this, or this, or this. Okay, so normally we will be using the standard normal table or the z-table to get the area. But you see, we can actually get rid of the standard normal table and use our calculators instead. But before I walk you through the calculator technique, let us first solve for the area using the z-table. Let's start with this one. Okay, so what is the area of the shaded region? So the shaded region is from 0 to 1.52. Okay, so this is quite easy. We're just going to locate 1.52 from the z-table. So we have here 1.5 and 0.02. Okay, so let's locate that. We have 1.5 right here and 0.02 right here. The intersection is 0.4357. So this value right here is the area from 0 to 1.52. So the area here is 0.4357, and we got that from the table. Now what if we are asked to solve for the area of a region that is looking like this? Okay, so here we're just going to do simple addition. We know that the area from 0 to 1.52 is 0.4357. Okay, so this is what we just had earlier. And 4357 was obtained from the z-table. And you see we have here half of the normal curve, and half of the normal curve has an area of 0.5. And since we have this whole region right here, we're just going to add the two areas. So adding them, we will obtain 0.9357. Now, what if the area we're looking for has this region? So this time, the shaded region is in the end or in the tail of the normal curve. So here we're just going to use what we know. We know that the area from 0 to 1.52 is 0.4357, and the area of the half of the normal curve is 0.5. So the area that we're looking for here is from 1.52 to the right. So here we can actually just subtract 0.4357 from 0.5 to get this area. And so subtracting them, we will actually have this as the result. So this is how we normally solve for the areas under the normal curve. But you see, we can actually just do this in the calculator. We can get rid of this table. Okay, so how are we going to do that? All right, so this is how you're going to solve for the areas under the normal curve using your scientific calculator. Okay, so first let's go to mode and let's activate stat mode by pressing 3. And then we're going to choose one var or one variable, or that is univariate statistics. So we press 1, and then a table will show up, but don't mind that, just press AC. Now that stat mode is activated, let's press shift, and then you press stat, or here, and then number 1 key. And then 6 functions will appear, but we're going to choose distribution, or that's the normal distribution. So we can enter into that function by pressing 5. Okay, so we have here P, R, and Q. P is used if the shaded region is more than half of the normal curve. So this one, so you're going to use R if the shaded region is less than half of the normal curve, and that their shaded region is at the end or at the tail of the normal curve. Q, on the other hand, is used if you are getting the area from 0 to any z value or z score. Okay, so let's try to do the first one. Okay, so what we're going to input here is the z score. So what we had earlier is 1.52. Okay, and then press equals, and then it will give you the area. So the area from 1.52 to the left is 0.9357. Okay. We can actually also do the others. Okay, so what if the area we're looking for is from 1.52 to the right? Okay, so towards the tail, towards the right tail of the normal curve. So we're just going to input 1.52 and it will give us the area. So the area from 1.52 to the right is 0.064256. All right? Now, let's try the other one. Let's try to confirm. From 0 to 1.52, so that will actually give us the area. And that area is 0.4357. Okay, so that is how we can solve for the areas under the normal curve using our scientific calculator. We just have to activate the stat mode, univariate, AC, and then shift stat 5 distribution. And here you're just going to input the z-scores or the z-values. And pressing equals, that will give you the area.